Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video series on data science. Today we are diving into data aggregation and summarization method using Python. During the data collection process, data may be gathered from multiple sources and need to be aggregated for further analysis. Merging datasets, joining tables, reshaping the data helps structure it for deeper analysis. Today, we will cover the key concepts and functions in Pandas that make this possible. These functions include concatenation, joining, merging, and the reshaping functions like melt and pivot table. In Pandas, concat, join, and merge are used to combine data frames, but they serve different purposes and have distinct use cases. Let's talk about the concat function in Pandas. The purpose of concat is to stack the data frames along a particular axis, either row-wise or column-wise. Concatenation is used when we want to simply append the data frames without considering keys or the matching indices. A good example is when you have monthly sales data stored in separate files for each month and you want to combine them into a single data frame for analysis. As you can see in this example, axis equal to 0 means we are concatenating row-wise. For column-wise aggregation, the axis would be equal to 1. As you can see that the data has been combined to a single data frame. Let's discuss how the join function works in Pandas. The join function is used to combine two data frames based on their index, making it really useful when you have two datasets that share the common index. By default, join performs a left join. It takes all the rows from the left data frame and matches them with the rows in the right data frame based on the index. As you can see in this example, we have joined two data frames based on the index number. In case of missing index, the row will be filled with the missing values. However, you can specify different types of join like inner, outer, or right join. It gives you flexibility depending on how you want the data to align. We can use joins when we want to combine data frames where the index acts as the key for merging, as opposed to using specific columns. The merge function combines the data frames based on the columns or indices. It functions like SQL joins, for example, inner, outer, left, and right join, and allows for more complex joins on specific columns or index levels. As you can see in this example, where department ID is the common key, the common column between the two tables. So this table presents the difference between the concat, join, and merge function based on the type of function, the key basis, and the common use case. Concat and merge are the Pandas functions, while join is a data frame method. There are no keys or index requirements in concat. Join uses the common indexes, while the merge function uses common columns or column indexes. Concat is used for appending and stacking the data frames. Join is used to combine the data frame based on the common indexes. And merge function is used to perform SQL-like joins based on the common keys and columns. Let's discuss the reshaping functions. Melt is a function that converts a wider format to a longer format. We have combined all of the columns into two columns, the subject and the scope. Pivot table does the opposite. It transforms long format data back into the wider format, which can be useful for aggregation and grouping. Melt is Pandas function, while pivot table is a data frame method. Today we discuss different aggregation methods in Python, including concat, join, and merge. We also discussed their key differences and the use cases. We explored reshaping functions like melt and pivot table that converts data to and from wider and longer formats. This was our last topic in data preprocessing. We will begin the exploratory data analysis in the next session. The code of today's session is available on my GitHub repository. The link is in the description below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.